Hi, so an important part of my application is how we handle user credentials once the user is signed in. So I'll show you now what it goes through. So a user object is passed from the front end to the back end. And there's both validation checks in the front end and the back end. So here are the validation checks in the back end, and we also have the schema here. Before we save a user, we use BCrypt here to generate a salt secret, and with that salt secret then we hash the password. This password is equal to hash, this salt secret is equal to salt. We then save these into our MongoDB backend or MongoDB database, and I'll show you how that looks now here. So this is the user we created earlier in the flow. This is the password here that was hashed using this salt secret. We use that salt secret later on in the login. So what happens is BCrypt compare. So we hash what the user tried to log in with the salt secret, and if it matches the password in the database, then that verifies that it's the user that's trying to log in, the correct user. Then we generate a JSON Web Token for them, and this JSON Web Token is stored in storage. That should ideally be stored in cookies. It's as a security measure. To counteract this, I've set the expires in fairly short, so if anybody ever did get the JSON Web Token from the session storage, it just takes too long to get it, and by the time they get it, then they can't do anything with it. So that's my countermeasure.